Bro, you're so cooked, bruh. I'm in the winning position.
Bro, you're not gonna beat me.
Wrong move. Checkmate.
What? How is it checkmate? You cheated!
Bro, I did not cheat. Listen, this is not checkers, okay? This is chess. You need to learn the rules, bruh.
Hey, subscribe right now if you think my brother was cheating. Let me have a redo or I'm telling Dad.
A redo? Bro, that's not how it works, man. You lost. Just accept defeat.
Dad!
What's going on, guys?
Dad, Mason's cheating. He's not being fair.
Mason, you know you're better at that game than him. Play fair.
Dad, we are playing fair. I mean, it's not my fault he doesn't know how to play the game.
Mason, let him redo it, or you can go to your room.
Dad, I won fair and square. You can look at the rule book.
Oh, so you don't think I know the rules? That's it. Go to your room.
Oh, not fair.